Hi, I'm Matt Hilbrand with Don's Appliances, and a question that keeps coming up on our channel is self-cleaning dangerous? The quick answer is no. However, it can be very harmful to your appliance. And what I mean by that is self-cleaning is a cycle on your oven, whether it's a wall oven or a range, that will get over 700 degrees. So really what it's designed to do is it's designed to turn on all baking items inside the oven. So if you have an electric range or oven, the bake and broil element will come on at high temperatures, over 700 degrees. If you have a gas range, your gas broiler and your gas bake unit will get to that high temperature as well. So what it's designed to do is it's designed to burn off anything inside your oven. And at that temperature, that can cause a lot of issues with your electronics. Over time, the insulation in your oven may break down, which will cause excessive heat to really kind of affect those electronics that you have. And the cooling fans that each range or oven have, typically without that good insulation, they can't keep up with that heat. And over time, you're going to damage your electronics. But there is great alternatives that you can use. Number one, there are ranges out there that have steam clean option. And what that is there's actually a cavern in the bottom of the range or oven that you can put a cup of water in the very bottom, hit the steam clean option, and it's not going to get above 200, 205 degrees. Most of the temperatures are going to be right around 180. So it'll clean the inside of the oven with steam, because also inside the cabinet of the oven is a non-porous porcelain, so it'll allow you to wipe those out a little easier. The other option, if you have a traditional self-clean unit, is to take a Pyrex bowl, put vinegar in, turn your broil element on, and let it sit in there for an hour and a half, 2 hours. And essentially, you're going to steam the inside of your oven just like you would a unit that comes with that steam option. So again, Pyrex bowl, use vinegar, put it inside the oven, turn the broil on, and you have to be with the product. So make sure that you don't leave that product unattended. And then after that hour and a half, 2 hours is done, go in and just wipe out the interior. What you're going to find is that it's going to work pretty well, and it's going to be a lot better for your oven than using self-cleaning all the time. If you have any comments or questions, please, we'd love to hear them. Shoot those below here, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But also, if you ever need an appliance, go to donsappliances.com.